Hello, and welcome to the second part of this 3D integration into Adobe Flash or Adobe Animate tutorial series. In this part, we'll go into the Blender interface. Open up Blender. This is the Blender's interface. For this tutorial, it'll be very basic. This is the tool shelf. Press T on your keyboard to toggle the tool shelf. Also, press N on your keyboard to bring up a panel. This panel is called the Properties panel. Keep in mind that these are very important panels, as they are very helpful for versatility around this software. This is the Object Properties panel, and this is your 3D workspace. All 3D modeling will be done here, in the 3D workspace. You will see a default cube in the middle of the scene. Right-click on the cube to select it. Click on the interaction mode to select which mode you want. Right now you're in object mode, go into edit mode. You can also easily do this by pressing Tab on your keyboard. Press A on your keyboard to deselect all vertices. Vertices is plural for vertex, as you may all know. Edges are made from 2 or more vertices. Faces are made from at least 4 edges or vertices. A triangle is made from 3 vertices. Press Z to go to wireframe mode, in order to be able to select any vertices you want. Explain this further in the next part. Select these vertices, press E on your keyboard to extrude those vertices. Deselect all vertices, and select all vertices again by pressing A on your keyboard twice. Press S to scale the object, left click when you are satisfied with the size you want. You can also press a specific figure on your keyboard. If you did not want to scale, and it was a mistake, press Escape or right-click during the action to keep your previous size. You can always also press Ctrl Z to undo. In a 3D workspace, there are 3 axes, the X, Y, and Z axis. You can also limit the scaling to a certain axis by pressing the key you want. What I mean is, if you want to scale in the Z axis, for example if you are modeling a building, press S on your keyboard, and then press Z to limit scaling to the Z axis only. You can also limit to 2 axes. For example, to restrict scaling in the Z axis, press S and then press Shift and Z on your keyboard to scale only in the X and Y axis. We'll go more in depth in later tutorials. Take this simple Minecraft scene, for example. It is a 3D sequence that was used for the background of this scene. A little bit more of advanced compositions were used though, such as blur, and defocus. In later tutorials, we'll go about how we work this background out for a Minecraft cartoon coming soon, how to use a simple 3D background for a jumping or parkour scene, and more. In the next video, we'll get to learn more and more about 3D scene creation, and how to apply them in Adobe Animate or Adobe Flash. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe.